Hello everyone, here's FT60R number 3. Radio looks in good shape. The antenna looks like it's old and beat. But I charge this thing up for a few hours and watch what happens to the screen. See those black spots? Screen goes off, you can't, or the backlighting goes off, you can't see them. Oh, while the backlighting is on, let's see, I move the frequency. Those black dots look really horrific. Just, I don't know. I asked the salesman Pete at HRO in New Hampshire, how's it look? Oh, the screen is perfect, the radio is perfect. Buttons might have just a little bit of wear on them, but you never know that it was used. Well, that screen is not anything what I would call perfect. Do I send it back? Do I ask for some money back? What do I do? You know, I can live with that, but it's just distracting. When that light's on, it almost covers up the screen to the naked eye. The camera sees it a lot better than I do. But, you know, what happens if that screen goes out? The display stops working. What happened to it to cause that damage? Yeah, I'm just manually rotating the knob just so the light stays on. How much will it cost for me to get fixed? Or will it become a paperweight, you know? Just, I don't know, I'm not very happy right now. What would you do?